I'm so mad. I still haven't seen Fast and Furious.
Oh, it was so good.
Why did you see it without me, Jessica?
It was an accident. I thought I was walking into a Zara.
I can't believe you thought Fast and Furious was Zara.
I said it was an accident.
We're in a fight.
Really?
No, you're like my best friend. I love you.
I love you. Hey guys.
I cannot look at Candace and Cyrus together. We have to go.
Where's Ginger?
I don't know. She's new.
Oh my god, I'm so late. Tara and Jessica are going to literally never speak to me again. Zachary, hi.
Yo.
I never realized how handsome you were.
Thanks.
Oh my god, you're so nice.
Ginger.
Oh my god, we were so worried about you. I thought you were hit by a tram.
Yeah, you have to be careful around trams.
I hate trams.
I hate trams too. You know what I love? Trolleys.
Yeah.
Ginger, why are you talking to Zachary?
Oh, we just ran into each other.
We're going to the Zara of Calabasas. Are you coming or not, Ginger?
Avi.
I can't believe we went all the way to Calabasas and there's not even a Zara here.
Like, why would they do that?
Hey guys, can't believe we ran into you here in Calabasas.
There's no Zara here, so you can leave. Actually, we came here for a Krav Maga class.
Yeah, it's really fun.
Let's kiss.
Bye.
I'm so sick of Candace talking about her Krav Maga.
Huh?
Krav Maga.
What?
Krav Maga.
Is that a type of coffee? Because I would totally try it. Every day it's always macchiato, macchiato, macchiato. Like I want variety.
Jessica, stop talking. Krav Maga is an Israeli fighting thing.
Oh. Yeah. Okay, yeah.
I need to go powder my nose. It's shiny. BRB.
So, can we talk about boys? I have a crush. Who? Zachary. I think I love him. Oh, you guys should totally date. Yeah, I think so too.
You guys, I'm back.
Hey.
You guys, I finally realized how to break up Candace and Cyrus.
You're so smart. So smart.
Are you ever going to let me talk?
Sorry.
I'm going to turn Cyrus against Candace by using Zachary.
Zachary?
He's Cyrus's best friend. If I tell Zachary rumors about Candace, he'll tell Cyrus, and Cyrus will hate Candace.
That's such a good idea. Why would Zachary trust you? He's a gentleman.
Shut up, Ginger.
Seriously, shut up.
Zachary will trust me because I'm going to date him.